Hello, how are you today? Are you ready to learn about letter G? Okay, let's start. Letter G make the sound G, G, G. Letter G says G, G, G. We have a big G and small g. Yes, capital G and small g. Okay. G, G, G. G says G, G, G. Okay, and now let's learn some example about letter G. G is for girl. G, G, girl. G is for gorilla. G, G, gorilla. We see gorilla in the zoo. Gorilla. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes. Grapes is very delicious. G. Yeah, okay, say with me. G, 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 G. Girl, gorilla, grapes. Yes, good job. And now let's know how to write letter G. We make a half circle, up, and sleeping dash. Capital G. Again, from the top we make a half circle, up and dash. Okay, small
Write the lowercase g.
small g. We make a small circle between two lines, line number 2 and line number 3. We make a small circle between two lines, down and curve. Small g. Again, we make a small circle between two lines, down and